Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can post a first story on Instagram. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can add music, slideshows, text, stickers, and whatever you want on your story to make it look attractive. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open Instagram, which is on your phone. After you have opened Instagram, you can go to your profile and you can see the plus icon on the top right hand side or left hand side. You can see this. You can just go ahead and tap on this icon and you can see that the gallery will come. If you want to click a photo, you can click on camera, or else you can see that there are photos from your gallery. Let's suppose I want to post this photo over here. So you can see that this has been selected as the photo of my choice, and I am going to add this as a story, but I want to make it look more attractive and I want to give the audio to it. So you can see the audio option over here. Just go ahead and press it and search for something related to the photo which you are keeping, or whatever mood you are in, you can keep the song accordingly. So let's go ahead and listen to this music over here. So let's go ahead and add this music over here. You can see that I've already added the music. Now I'm going to add some stickers to it. You can see the stickers option over here. Just go ahead and tap on it and you can see there are a lot of stickers over here. You can also search for stickers. Just go ahead and search what you want, and after that click on the search button and you can see the stickers available for the thing which you have searched. So you can keep anything over here. So you can see that the sticker is kept over here on the screen. You can also hold it and bring the layer forwards or backwards according to your wish. So you can see there is something over here which is the lock one, or you can see which you can get back of it as well. So this is how you can keep story on your Instagram, adding your music and your stickers. So after that, go ahead and click on your story and you can click not now if it is connected with your Facebook, and you can see that the story has been uploaded. Now I'm going to teach you how you can add a slideshow and text on your Instagram. So first of all, what you need to do is go to your gallery. After you go to your gallery, you can see there are a lot of photos over here. Just go ahead and select the photos which you want to create a slideshow of. So you can see some of the photos are still there. Just go ahead and select these photos and you can see create. Go ahead and tap on it and you should create a movie. So let's go ahead and create a movie, or if you want it on a short form, just go ahead and tap on GIF. After you tap on GIF, you can see the time limit over here. Let's go ahead and play this GIF over here. You can see the timer limit on the bottom of your screen. You can go ahead and increase and decrease this if you want. You can click save and this will be added as a GIF. But if you want it to become a slideshow and for it to take some time for your Instagram story to look good, you can also do that. Just go ahead and click on create, go to movie, wait for a while, and you can see that some files may not be supported. So you can go ahead and decrease the time over here. So you can see that you can individually decrease the time of the show according to your wish. If you think the photo duration is long, you can just go ahead and drag it this way as I'm doing, and you can decrease the time of the video you are creating or the slideshow you are creating. So you can do this to all of it. You can see gradually the time is decreasing over here, and you can now go ahead and save this over here. Click on done and click on save movie. After that, this slideshow has been created. Now what you need to do is go back to Instagram. After you go back to Instagram, click on the story icon or the plus icon which is over here, and you can go to your gallery and you can see your slideshow which you just created. It is fully adjustable as well, so you can see that you can add some effects over here. there are a lot of effects. You can see this one is quite attractive. You can just go ahead and click on done, which is over here. After click on done, let's go ahead and add a music. Go to music over here and let's search for some interesting music over here. Let's hear some of the music, and after that you can add some text. Just need to tap on the screen and it will enable for you to add a text. So you can add something like some edits or something like this. Keep it over here, and you can see that you can also add some stickers. Just go ahead and tap on stickers. If you want to mess more with the text, you can see that there are some functionalities which you can do, or you can just click on this. You can see some of the edits which are available. Click on done. You can see the edits are looking quite amazing. Now let's go ahead and add a sticker for ourselves. Let's add something like football. Let's search for it here, and there you go. Now let's go ahead and add this to our story. It looks incredible. It has a music, and I hope people will like this story. Go ahead and click on your story, which is on the bottom of your screen, and there you go. You have just kept your first story on Instagram, including music, slideshows, text, stickers, and whatnot. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.